we did not find the exact, like, what we exactly want. They are a total scam. We'll move them first and I'll tell you all why we have to do it. I'll get him here for some life-changing decisions. Now we are at Satna Forest. You give 2 pedals and then there's woo, and it's time to say bye to this lovely place. So we have to move all our stuff from here to the dorm, which is right over there. So we moved already our panniers and all, just the helmet, shoes and other basic things are left. We'll move them first and I'll tell you all why we have to do it. We moved our helmets and all our stuff here. So now we'll be going for some sightseeing at Auroville. And the reason why we have shifted our stuff is that this huts we had booked for 2 days, because initially our plan was to stay here for only 2 days, but because we liked the place and we did not explore much, so we thought why not extend 1 more day, and so that's why we extended 1 more day, but they could not give us the same hut. So the owners here are really nice. So what they are doing is they will be sleeping in the kitchen and they are shifting some other guests somewhere else, and in their room also they are shifting some other people, and they'll be giving us a dormitory. So yes, so the dormitory is also not yet ready, but they'll just put some mattresses and they'll give for us. And it's time to say bye to this lovely place. So most of the things we have already taken, just the things that we'll be wearing now are left. So we are moving right now. The heat here is unbearable today. It was just drizzling a bit last night, so I think it's because of that. The humidity level has also increased. So we are going to that bakery. Yesterday what they said, it will take us 8 hours. So we are going over there first. Yeah, so we'll make a move now. The bikes are out of the hotel. So we reached the Auroville Cafe. There's a lot of sound over here actually, and it's going to take us 1 hour. Same like yesterday. Yesterday they had told us to inside, but today it will be a bit early. So I'll show you once. We ordered quite a lot. So let it come first, then I'll show you all what we actually ordered. So our sandwiches and lassis come. This is pineapple lassi. This is double espresso. This is of Mefron. And Ian already drank his lassi.
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
So this is what was this? This is iced tea, lemon tea. This is not iced tea, lemon tea. So this is my sandwich. These 2 guys' food is not yet come. We are waiting for it. And chicken escalope is also come. It looks delicious. How is it? So we just had our breakfast. The time now is 11:34. So we'll go to the e-bikes shop. We'll rent 3 e-bikes and we'll roam in Auroville with e-bikes only. Because with e-bikes we can check the Auroville more properly. The interior routes also will be accessible for us. So we are taking the bikes out. We'll move now. Right now we are at Soundgarden. So this is Soundgarden, and they have some like a walk of half an hour. They show like each and everything. So we are also new to it. We just heard about it. We'll look at it and then we'll let you all know also. So we had come here. Yeah. So we had come here, and these are the sessions. So the time right now is 12:11. So there's a session at 12:45. So they have given 12:30, but it will be at 12:40. So it's pointless waiting till 12:40. So what we'll do is we'll take the e-bike and then we'll roam around, and we'll come here at 4:40 for the 4:40 session. That's the last one. So this is how the place looks. So there's a guide that will take us and he'll explain us like what it is, what everything is. So yeah, we'll go to the e-bike place now. Yes. So right now we are come to buy rent a e-bike. So these are the e-bikes, these ones. So we'll just check about how it is. Or if they organize a tour also, it will be good.
All the cycles are, most of the cycles are pedal assist sensor only.
Hmm.
So while we're pedaling, the motor will give you the push.
Okay.
That's how the system works.
Acceleration on the cycle is good. I was not expecting that. You know, you give two pedals and then there's woo, and especially with the disc brakes and all, it is very responsive. You just put it and it stops right there. I like this cycle. I did not expect really the e-bike to be this fast and this good. So they are saying that they will give us 25 kilometers. I will see. So if you look at this bike, they have converted into a e-bike. I think it was Bajaj. Yeah, it's a Bajaj bike. Looking at the headlight, but you see, it looks sleek, no? Oh, the fender is really innovative. If you see from here, and look how it comes out. So these are the rates of the e-bikes. You all can pause the video and have a look. And this is the business card. If you all want to call, you all can call them inside only. So we parked our bikes over here, and there's a shop here nearby only. We'll just visit it. I think it's a cloth shop. You know, this is a feeling like how we were in school. We used to take the cycles to school and all. It's something like that. It reminded me of the old days. So right now we'll be just exploring here. We are on the cycles. We went to one shop. There was nothing good. We'll see what's in front. There are, you know, a lot of things, and they've told us that you can just go inside anywhere and you can check workshop on OnePlus clothing or with experience. So like there are a lot of workshops like this. So if we want to go to any place, they said that they'll always welcome us, and we can take a workshop, or even we can just interact with them also. So we cycled for like 5 minutes, and now we have come really close to the Maitri Mandir. So the viewpoint, I don't know where the viewpoint is. It will be like somewhere here, or maybe on the other side also, this side. So this is the benefit of like taking a cycle, so that, you know, we can go on any interior roads. We have not found like absolutely great things yet, but we'll take a look at the map also. So this is the map.
I'm India.
So we are somewhere here right now. Here. Okay, so this is a cycle trail that will take us all the way here. We'll just figure it out first. I think I'm going to fall today. Especially these guys are applying brakes anyhow in front. But it feels good riding. So again we reached this place only. We are just taking circles over here. We went this side and then we ended up on the same place. So we are not sure where we should go. So now we are going to that Maitri Mandir side, which we saw. We'll just take a circle of it and we'll see what is that side. So this is one place that we have reached. But if you look here, like beneath the house, entire place, there is a water. There is a water channel. So there are fishes also in that. There are guppies. So there also it looks good. I'll put a photo just beside this. So this is the place that I was saying, that here it looks good. So we have come to a cafe, that's Neem Tree Cafe. I think this is Neem Tree. So you know, we are just navigating this map, and it's getting very difficult for us to navigate with the use of Google Maps. Doing this stuff, like old school stuff, is getting very difficult.
GTA. I will learn about maps.
So we ordered watermelon juice, and what else we ordered? What do you order, Rian?
3 watermelon.
So we ordered 3 watermelon juices only because we were dehydrated. We actually stopped to get water, but they don't have water bottles. So we'll spend more 15 minutes on this map and check. Watermelon juices come. These guys are quite fast. Yant almost finished.
I finished.
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना. नहीं, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Bad.
extremely refreshing. Yeah. So we'll just explore some more, and then we'll go to Sadhana Forest. And there's a musical garden also here, so we'll go there. So the heat here is quite lot. You can see looking at my face. We went to some cafe. We did not like it, so we came here. This is the Sprout Cafe. It's good. We'll just see how the food is though. So we are thinking of giving back the cycles. We explored, but we did not find the exact, like, you know, what we exactly wanted, like the exploring the architecture and all. We thought like if we take any route, there would be like a lot of houses and all, but that was not the thing. So we are giving it back, and there is a sound garden, so we'll visit that, and then we'll go to the forest. First time, first time now, Sadhana Forest. We'll go to Sadhana Forest then. So we are back here at Auroville, the sound garden. That is Swaram Sound Experience. So we kept our cycles here. We'll just go and take the tickets. The next session is at 3:40. So we'll take the tickets and sit over there, and then we'll check what's the next procedure. Our tour has started, so he'll be showing us. So this is a pipe-like instrument.
You don't need to do anything, you just have to place your ears. So when you change the place, you will hear the hair sound in different formations because the sizes are different. And whatever the sound you are getting through by this instrument, just hair sound, just hair flow, there is nothing inside. So you get the vibration, so all of you close your eyes and feel the home sound. You can have some space.
So our tour is over, and now we have 30 minutes to play it on our own. So we like this instrument, that is this one. It has a very alien invasion kind of a sound. So if you just hear, see. So my friend is playing it. And we like that one, so we'll go over there. So this is a tube. So this one is a tube that's connected at 3 places. One where Ian is staying here, and there's some other place, okay, there also. So what we speak here is we are able to share it over there.
Brandry, we can hear you, Brandry.
Ian, can you hear me? Ian, go over there, I'm clicking a video. Go on there. Ian, can you hear me?
Yes, hello.
Check, mic check. Okay, come. And then this is some other thing. So there are a lot of instruments here. We just come to the ones that we like. So we found one more here. So they have made it out of a rock, I believe. So this has a different sound. This is the sound of waves, Kore. There's a lot of background noise, so I'm not sure if you all can hear. For extra music. And there is another way of playing this. So this is one more kind of it. So here 2 people have to play it, and 1 person has to stand on the stone. So you can feel 8 vibrations here in the center. So first I'll do that, and then I'll let this guy. This is one more. Oh. We have come from there, and we are on our way to return the cycles. And after this we'll go to Sadhana Forest. I like that musical thing, the musical garden. We reached the place from where we got the cycles. We just raced and we are tired now. My friend found a new friend. Yay. Playing with that. We did the sign out procedures from here, and now we are moving to Sadhana Forest. So we are extremely tired, especially racing at the end. So we'll go over there now. I will check if it's open first. There is a trail at Sadhana Forest also. So if we get that, it will be good. Yes, we'll make a move now. These guys are already tired. They are just sitting. So right now we are at Sadhana Forest, and I was just checking. They have made elephants out of tires. So this is like a afforestation, that is the reforestation kind of a program, where they have cultivated, where they have planted a lot of plants. So we also not sure like the exact details, but as and when I know, I'll show it to you all also. So first we have to go to a main hut, and from there I think there'll be a tour guide or something who will tell us. So you know, it's quite surprising how they make this waterproof only with leaves. There's no plastic nor any synthetic this thing material. They've just made like cross netting and just put plants on it, leaves on it. So this is the main gallery. I think we can sit here for some time because they're already on the tour. So we'll have a look around here, and then once they come, we'll go to the main place. So this is art gallery, and you know, they've put up a lot of pictures. And this is, they've made a sitting place. You know, I'm not sure how everything here works out around, but we'll see. It's going to be a new experience for us also. We'll see what happens.
Similar to the values that they had by themselves. So one of the
So we are now leaving from Sadhana Forest. And they gave us a brief tour because you know it is exceeding the time. We had to reach at least by 4:30, but now it's 6. It's actually 6, so they could not take us to the farm and all and show most of the places. But whatever she told was quite sensible, and you know, I liked how they are going about with it. It is quite different from the real world. It is quite different. They don't believe in how everyone is going about with it. Meaning, in a sense, like they are not career focused. They don't have that everyone should go to school, have a career, be rich, and all that, get married and all. They have a different approach to it. You can stay here as a community, and you can be free from all those things. You can live a life that you want, and where you are not pressurized to do things. So so the overall experience was good. So we are thinking of coming like for 3-4 days, but let's see how it goes by. Maybe for next year, when my friend is back again, I'll get him here for some life-changing decisions. He's laughing. But yeah, it was good. It was a good experience here. And now, as I told you, my friend's bike, the brake is not working properly. So we are going to a mechanic here. We'll just check what is the exact problem with it. There's a Royal Enfield showroom also here. So if needed, we'll take it there. Let's see how it goes. I'll let you all know. Because tomorrow when we are going, it should not create a problem because we'll be riding for almost 10 hours tomorrow and then 10 hours day after tomorrow. So you know, it gets a bit inconvenient. So we are come to the Royal Enfield service center in Pondicherry, and we are gonna get this changed. Not sure if we are going to get this changed, but the brakes we are going to get them repaired. It's 6:30 and they are closing at 7, so that's why we are a bit in a hurry, so that we should do it fast. So we are come to yet another shop. We went to the Royal Enfield showroom. They are a total scam. Idiots. They were telling us that the part which will be installed will be 2,500. Plus labor charge will be separately 2,500 to 3,500. So what we decided was to get to a local shop only, somewhere outside. And you know what the rate is here? It is just 1,500 for everything that the showroom had recommended will be getting changed. So you see such price differences. But only thing is we have to wait here till 9 o'clock. It is 7, so 2 hours we'll have to wait over here till our bike gets repaired. So that is the only problem that we are facing here. But in the meantime, we'll have some food also over here till then the bike will get repaired. The work on the bike has started, and they are changing the caliber, disc caliber and the accelerator cable, and we are just sitting here waiting. So our bike is almost repaired. We have changed the accelerator cable. Yes, it is way easier than before. And we have changed the brake also. There's full oil on my hands. We have not changed the entire brake set, just the caliper that's here. We have changed the caliper here. Hard.
Change pannu.
Okay. And back brake. No, back brake. This one. Not working. And so he is recommending us to change the clutch cable. We had got the recommendation earlier that we should change this, but then we ignored it because it was just one ride. So also we are checking the rear brake. They had said that it will take 2 hours, but to our surprise it is done way quicker. So our bikes are here and we are come back to White French Town. So this is how it looks. The architecture is almost similar to the Portuguese architecture in Goa. So we are come to a restaurant. It's been like almost 4 days. We did not have anything good. So that's why we'll go to a good place today. That's what it showed in the photos at least. So we'll go over there now. We are just walking from here. It's hardly 450 meters. So we'll walk only. So we came yesterday to have day for yesterday to have ice creams over here. And it's just besides that only. So they are very limited seating. I hope we get a table. So this is the beach, Rock Beach. So we reached at the restaurant. It's Escape, the Escape Inn, the Taste Beyond. So there's a lot of rush inside. So we are just standing outside. They told us like 5-10 minutes and then we'll be. So we have come to a place called Escape Inn. It's just sea facing from here, but we did not want to see view because there's AC over here and outside it's very hot. So we are thinking of what we should order. So Ian is going with steak. I think here is steak. Ian is going with steak, and we are just thinking of what we'll order. We are not yet sure. So our food is come. This is our drink. So both the boys are busy eating. There's a lot of background noise and then I get copyrights. So we'll have this one. So we had food and now it's time for ice cream. Wow, please, these guys are sitting over here. So Ian had, what you had, Ian? Waffle. Ian had waffle and my friend's stomach is full. So we had food and ice cream also, and we are on our way back home. So my bike is parked over there. And we are moving to Auroville now. That's where our stay is at. So we'll go there. And we have a lot of packing and all to do. We'll mount the bags also today. But without wasting more time, I'll go there first because our things are also in the dormitory. And we don't know how they are yet. My friend is also come with his bike. We'll make a move now. So we are back at our rooms, and this is the dorm that they provided us with. And we kept all our things here only. But the moment we came, she told us that the booking which had to come is cancelled, or they were not able to contact them. So she told us that the hut that we were staying in is still free. We can go and sleep in that. So we were happy because it was good over there. It's good. Even we got good sleep. So we'll stay over there only. We'll just have bath. And we'll mount all our things on the bike now only because tomorrow morning we'll be going to see the sunrise, and then from out and out only we'll be leaving directly to Goa. So this is what our room looked like before we arrived and made a mess out of it. And luckily by chance they were able to clean it because we were shifting to another room, but the other guy did not come. So we got the opportunity to stay here. And the host is really nice. She gave us a discount also. Even after the reasonable prices, she gave us more discount. We were quite surprised for that. Yeah, so I'll edit the video now, and my friend is going to have bath. After that, I'll go and we'll mount all our bags on the bike. Actually, I was supposed to do it now, but then I realized that after I change this also, I have to put it in the bag. So then after I mount, I'll have to open it now again and again. So better wait and then do it. So guys, I edited the video, and it's getting rendered. By then I'll go to sleep. I'll wake up at 2 and then I'll upload it. So these guys are going to sleep. This one is on vibrate. So even I'll go to sleep now. I kept an alarm for 2. I'll get up at the time, I'll upload it, and then I'll go sleep back. Because morning we have to wake up at 5:15 so that we go to see the sunrise, and from there on we'll be moving towards Goa. So we'll take a break somewhere in between, and then we'll continue it the next day. So if you all, I hope you all have liked the video till here. If you all have liked, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And if there are any suggestions anywhere that I can improve, please do comment, do let me know. Even drop me a personal message, I wouldn't mind, but just do it. I would like to improve in certain areas that I feel that I can do better at. Till then, I hope you all like the video. Till then, bye.